Hi everyone, this is the fourth video in sort of what I've done so far for the what is this, Back to Basics Unreal competition at 3D Buzz. There is quite a bit I've done to the level. If you looked at the last video, it might not look like there's a whole lot, but to tell you the truth, I've just been playing this thing, deleting sections out, or adding them, and changing everything up. The first thing you might notice, let me go to this mode, is that I removed the spiral staircases on this side. Pain in the ass to walk up, just complete pain to get from one section to the other. So it's just straight up, staircases now. This also allowed me to add some, interesting areas behind it where I can put a rocket launcher, another spawn point. I also went ahead and just deleted out this entire left side. I'm probably going to duplicate over most of the geometry on that side, put it on that side. But then for the interesting parts, like this little alcove house that I have, sort of slowly being constructed right now, I'm going to do similar things on that side, but differently. Just make things a little more interesting. I still need to resolve this area, this big expanse. That's sniper death territory because I put the sniper rifle right up here on top of this right there. So earlier when I was playtesting this, I was just shooting everyone who ran out of the spawn point under here. Just bam, 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 headshot every time. And I also really shortened up the level. If you look here, I grabbed basically everything on that side of the map that we're facing and just pulled it forward, about a fourth of the distance of the entire level, just because I wanted to compress things. I wanted the gameplay to be a little more intense. I thought that how I had structured things was a little bit too widespread, too open. So I just crammed it all together. Not crapped it all together. That's kind of weird too. But I also have added multiple tiers, multiple levels. So let me turn lighting on so you can actually see some of this stuff. But I started just making different areas that go up and up and up, just to break the sections into different, discernible chunks, just so that it's not just one big map that's just boring as heck. And I'm still working on this section right now. I've got to bring this upper tier down to this lower tier and kind of fuse it all together. So I'm thinking about doing these circular type rings on either side that sort of spiral down, and I'll put a spiral staircase between them. Maybe not a full spiral, just a quarter or just a small chunk or slice of it. And that might be how I resolve that. I'll have to see how it plays. If I don't like it, I'll get rid of it. So actually, you know what? I need to trash this stuff, this light and that light. When I moved everything forward, some things obviously didn't go with it. So let me trash that. Alright, let's jump into the game really quick. I want to make this a really short video because I've got plenty to do. Play from here. Give it a moment. Alright, here we are in the game. My mouse once again is not working. I always get a buggy. As soon as the game starts I get something. I don't know if it has to do with my optical mouse or what. But, alright, so, we've all seen this so far. The standard thing, moving up and down and doing its different configurations. Have not added any additional configurations. I'm actually pretty happy with the different ones there. The only one I'm not happy with, but it's more of a frustration thing, is I have a zigzag version of it, which completely blocks you from being able to go outside the zigzags. At least blocks you being able to go up and down. It doesn't keep you from moving out of the grid and moving along outside of it. That one can be slightly annoying. I also added these grates here, and I actually made them a matinee sequence now. They move up and down. There's only about 3 of them. I'm going to have to add more because, as you can see, they move up and they completely go down. They're interesting because when I actually add bots, let's add 4 bots. 1, 2, 3. Wait a few seconds for them to, run around and pick some stuff up. Let's add another 4 bots. I'm going to do this periodically just so that I'll have to watch out because I think there's a spawn point right around here. But let's go up here and grab a sniper rifle. So, with these grates that move up and down, they block about half the fire. Of course, sniper rifle, you can zoom in and get right through it. Doesn't matter where they are. Bam. No headshot for me. But I'm trying to see it. Oh, here. This is the part that I was telling you about before. Headshot every time. Just shoot everyone right there. These grates are nice because they will block quite a bit from killing you. Right now, for some reason, they're not being very variable. This happens every once in a while. The random part of it just, even though it is random, doesn't always seem very random. So yeah, this section got pushed over, as you can see here. Actually, it looks like some segments I have yet to push back into the right area, like this one right here. The flat cannon, I don't like where this is. This is going to get moved, probably pushed over to the other side of the map, or maybe in the center of the map. I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. I'm having a problem with bots right here. There we go. I got the big keg of health down here for you to fall through on, but I just can't seem to get any path nodes to figure out how to get down there. I just always get warnings. This is the new one. It's much tighter, making weapons like the flat cannon deadly to you and everyone else. It's got, I think, about 3 different configurations. There's a Triforce configuration, a Diamond configuration, and then I think just like a random one I made as well. I can't remember. Let's go over here. I need to put some lights, of course. Lighting is not something I'm thinking about yet. I've got so much more to do with this level in such little time. Oh yeah, you can, by the way, jump on top of these things and kill people if you want to. If this thing goes down, I'll jump on top of one of them. The problem is, since it's random, you'll never quite know if the section you're going to be on will take you up or not. So it's kind of a chance you take. Come on, go down. The bots are very dumb. Once again, it's a dynamic level. I can't do it. If anyone knows how to do that to make it so the bots are actually smart with these pieces moving, let me know. Once again, coming up here you think it might be an advantage until you realize that everyone on every corner and every side can now attack you and kill you. You can, if you're agile enough, jump around and stay up here as long as you want. Once again, there's a dumb bot being dumb. I've tried putting different paths in here, different items, but as soon as the dynamic wall changes and there's a path between you and what it thought it wanted, things just kind of go bad. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh, at least I killed you too. So that pretty much wraps up what I've gotten done so far. A lot of things need to get changed, of course. This area right here needs to be dealt with, especially with the sniper rifle being able to kill anyone who spawns here. So let's just add some more bots. I haven't added this many before, so we'll have some fun and see what happens. Ooh, you just took it from me. See, when I was playing earlier, I was headshotting, nailing people down here, but the bots got smart enough to begin blasting me from down there, and half of their shots actually got through these gates and killed me once or twice. So you're not invincible behind this stuff. They can hit you. And these are just bots. If you're playing real people, which is what I plan this level to be for, you're most likely going to get shot a lot. And of course, there's the opposite side. And if you're up here on this tier, you're free to get shot from over there, because I'll probably put an impulse cannon or rifle, or whatever it's called, or another sniper rifle just over there to balance gameplay out. So that wraps it up. If you have any comments or concerns, please post them. I'd love to hear from people and what they have to say about it. I realize that no one has played it yet, so you're limited to what I've shown you here. But any thoughts would be really helpful, especially now in this last week. Die. Okay? That's all. Bye.